Okay, welcome to R&H Engineering. Our client wanted us to build a truck to be able to carry the drone, which will carry water to the skyscrapers to give them a clean. To hear more about the design of the truck, I shall introduce you to Stafford, who built most of the truck itself.
So before this truck had this big box body on it, it looked like this. What we have here is a bare chassis, and we've had to extend it a little bit to meet the measurements of what the customer wanted. We also made it out of mild steel and aluminium to save weight. So this is a scissor lift. This is where the drone will live. It's going to get pushed up to the roof where the hatch will open, and that's where it's going to get launched from. This is a water blaster, and to make it easy to access, we've installed these rollers on the truck. This is a chassis extension. We've extended the chassis out. Had to drill holes, mount it in the right place so that when it goes up and down, it opens and closes where it should. The client wanted us to install this tail lift so that they wouldn't have to manually carry containers inside. And as you can see, it can hold a good amount of weight. Now the drone could be flying out the back of the truck or out the front. So to make it more practical, we've added the hoses to this big swivel.
So in the back here, we have two 1,000 litre water tanks. One can be filled with deionized water, the other one can be filled with tap water. This then goes up through the mixer where they can mix fresh water with the chemicals. This then gets transferred to a low water pressure pump and comes back to the reel.
So the pilot needs to be able to access the roof, and to do that, we've got this stowaway ladder. Let's hook it up. Let's go to the top. This is the top deck, where we are in the process of installing fold-down handrails for safety, because the drone will be launched from the roof. So as you know, drones use a lot of power, which is why we have installed these handy slide-out battery trays to house the chargers and battery. Of course, we'll need something to power them, which is why we've got this big generator. Now we've put it on sliders to make it easy for maintenance, and of course to keep the fumes out of the truck.
Thank you, Stafford. We can't wait to see the drone fly in the sky. Anyone else wants a project along the lines of this, please contact R&H Engineering.